Leaf spring bushings are critical for a vehicle suspension, including steering, performance, and safety. Worn or damaged bushings lead to poor handling, excessive noise, and can lead to major suspension failure. Replacement can be a quick job with the right tools, including the 5080A front leaf spring and bushing service set and an air-powered hydraulic pump to pull the old bushings out and pull the new one in. What you do is unbolt the lower spring from the frame and put the hydraulic through rod inside the bushing. Then, grab your adapters and nut, snug it up against the bushing, and use your pump to pull the bushing out of the leaf spring. Turn the ram around and use it to install, using the same adapters. 10 tons of hydraulic force removes any frozen, rusted, or stuck front spring eye bushings quickly and easily. Pair with a hand pump like the 4004 or the 2510A air hydraulic pump for fast removal and installation. Works on bushings from 1 1/4 inch up to 1 7/8 inch in diameter, including the most popular OEM and aftermarket bushings. In most cases, bushings can be replaced without removing leaf spring hangers and spring assemblies, saving time and money. The adapters will line up correctly to ensure the bushing is pulled straight out and pulled straight back in, eliminating damage or misalignment. So you can work smarter, not harder, to beat the flat rate.